Hello and welcome to a quick unboxing of the processor, the RAM, one of the new processor brackets for better heat dissipation. That's pretty much it. Actually, all these boxes are open because I've had them for quite a long while. But I still thought let's do a small unboxing where I can at least show what I've got to build my new desktop. So let's start with the processor. It's an Intel Core i9 4900K. Total core count is 24. 8 cores performance, 16 cores efficiency, total 32 threads, and the speed is 6 gigahertz. That's pretty much it. Total L2 cache is 36 MB. Let's open the package. It's quite shiny actually. Here it is. Here's the beast. Not going to take it out from the plastic packing. That I'll do when I do the build for this. So let's keep this aside. The RAM I've selected is from Gskill Ripjaws S5, rated at 6400. It's just a simple packing. You can just open it. Sticker. I think even the RAMs are. I think I'll take them out when I do the build. I won't do it right now. I'm not going to talk too much in terms of tech specs of these things because there are hundreds and hundreds of videos out there which explain every small bit about these. So yeah, this was something interesting that I found. So basically, if you look at the package, it has thermal compound, then I think a star spanner is what it's called, I'm not sure, and this is the bracket. So basically what you do is you put your processor in, you remove the clamp that is there holding in the processor, and then you put this on top of it and tighten it. So basically what this is going to do is this is going to give an even surface to all the processor sides, automatically increasing the overall contact of whatever cooler you might be using for your build. So the results look promising in terms of heat dissipation, so I'm pretty much going to go with it. I haven't done it earlier, so this is my first time doing something like this, but I said like let's try it because we are building this with the best processor, so we also need to have the best equipment or any best accessory that we can think of which will help us keep it stable and cool. So yeah, that's pretty much what we have for this video. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe. Bye.